Good morning, folks, and it's April the 28th in West Nipissing, and we're just watching the Sturgeon River. I've been watching the waters rise, and there's tell of some floods and whatnot, but I just thought we would take a look at the real-time hydrometric data graph for the Sturgeon River, and this is at Glen Afton. It's on the government website, and you can check it out. But there is the graph, and so this is April the 21st here, April the 23rd, the 25th, and the 26th. On the 26th, I thought that it had tailed off. I looked at it and it was right here, and I thought, oh good, well that's it. But no, it looks like it's climbed yet again, but it does look like it's rounding off again, so that's where we are for the 28th. Yeah, so anyway, it's a very interesting site. It's a good site to keep your eyes peeled on, and what it means for us where we are located is that if the water rises 15 to 20 feet up in Glen Afton, it equates to about a foot or a foot and a half down here. Luckily, I'm in between two dams, the Sturgeon Falls hydro dam and the dam in town. So we rarely see any flooding. I mean, it's happened, but we rarely see it. Well, as you can see, it doesn't have to rise very far before it's into my house. I've only got a couple feet, if that. Well, I would say a couple feet. But my dock's underwater. The dock's been underwater for about 5 days now. That never happens. And the water's coming right up. Certainly in no danger here. I'm very confident of that. Well, it is April the 28th. It looks like the water's on its way down. It's at the same level now as at the corner of the dock. This morning there was a little bit of water on that. As you can see by the staining, it's been up a little bit more, but I think it's coming down. So here we are at the West Nipissing Power Generating Station in Sturgeon Falls. And so this is above the dam. Yeah, it's going pretty good. Yeah, so here's a pretty cool vantage point. Please note, danger, keep out, no access beyond this point. Shot here. Yeah, so the water's coming in here pretty good. You can see that not all the gates are open. Looks like we've got 2 gates that are closed yet. I think they're trying to hold back from Lake Nipissing because those levels are really high right now. I think they're holding back just as much as they can. So there's Minnehaha Bay. I'm on the railway trestle here. So here we are at Crystal Falls. I heard they were having troubles with the bridge here, so they've got this big backhoe there, and they've been working on that, I guess. we'll just go up to the boat launch. Well, here we are at the Crystal Falls Depot. Just check this out. Go for a walk, Gertrude? So here we are in the upper Sturgeon River. This is above the Crystal Falls Dam. Getting close here. Look how close we are to the edge of the road there. Oh yeah. If the water was up another foot, it'd be on the highway here. Yeah, I haven't seen it this high.
Somebody told me it was up to the chip stand.
Yes, we'll take a look at that. So, it's up quite a bit. Oh yeah, so it's come up quite a bit. Oh, that's close. Yeah, so there we are. The mighty Sturgeon River. In the beautiful little town of Field.